Precision medicine is the future of medical practice, not only in Qatar, but globally. The mission of Qatar Genome is to prepare the scene in Qatar to move into clinical implementation of precision medicine.
There is no doubt genetic analysis of patients is of utmost importance to improve precision medicine, to better optimize the care of our patients.
The Qatar Genome project is an ambitious project. The project's vision is to place Qatar as a leader in the implementation of precision medicine. The first genome was sequenced in September 2015. Now we are at a stage where we can harvest the results coming out of this analysis to start making sense of that at the clinical side.
Qatar Genome project is producing over 10,000 genomes. This sort of rich data will allow the researchers to make breakthrough discoveries and also will help the policymakers to really plan in a better way the future for the healthcare in Qatar towards precision medicine.
We at Qatar Genome engage all biomedical research institutes in Qatar, all academic institutions, and all healthcare providers. Since it was launched, the Qatar Genome project was incubated at the Qatar Biobank, so we have access to the rich phenotypic data they're producing. The Qatar Biobank cohort will be one of the most characterized cohorts that are out there, with multi-omics data available for researchers to mine and come with fantastic discoveries. Qatar has invested heavily in the last decade or slightly more in building a state-of-the-art infrastructure in biomedical research. For example, the bioinformatics team at Sidra are helping us immensely to make sense of the data that Qatar Genome Project is producing.
Sidra Medicine is an academic medical center for women and children health. Division of Biomedical Informatics collaborate heavily with the Qatar Genome Project. We have various expertise within our team, various disciplines within computer science, bioinformatics, mathematics, and biostatistics, and they provide the analytics to the clinicians and other scientists.
One of Qatar Genome program main mission is to promote genomic research collaborations in Qatar. For this purpose, we developed partnerships and collaboration with the universities and research institutes in Qatar. The other framework through which Qatar Genome data is explored is via a partnership with the main local research funding agency, namely the Qatar National Research Fund QNRF. Together, QNRF and QGP launched an annual research grant under the name of Pathway Toward Personalized Medicine.
We see ourselves as a national platform where all these players can come together and contribute towards our vision and mission to make Qatar a world-leading nation in the implementation of precision medicine.
There's a lot of research happening nowadays in the world about the genetic causes of autism, but we don't know much about the genetic cause in this part of the world. Together with researchers in Qatar, we are working to find the causal associations between autism and genes. Qatar Genome is collaborating with the Heart Hospital to sequence a cohort of 1,000 patients who have cardiovascular diseases.
Well, cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of mortality and morbidity in Qatar as well as worldwide. We are learning more and more that precision medicine is the way to go forward in healthcare. We learned that these genetic identification are of utmost importance in certain diseases in cardiovascular disease for diagnosis, for treatment, and for prognostic evaluation. Those who are at risk of sudden cardiac death, for example, we might be able to treat them with certain medications or provide them with certain devices that reduce their risk of sudden cardiac death and hopefully provide them with better care.
We are also working closely with the academic institutions here in Qatar to provide Qatar with more scientists, bioinformaticians, and even bioethicists who are going to be the new task force to implement precision medicine here in Qatar.
I'm Dr. Mashal Al-Shafi'i, Assistant Professor at the College of Health Sciences. We have genetics and genomics integrated as part of our curriculum in the biomedical sciences program. We launched in September 2018 a master program in genetic counseling. Our aim is to provide the healthcare sector in Qatar and also in the region with competent genetic counselors that can help meeting the expanding needs in the region. We also encourage our students to participate in local as well as international conferences related to genetics and genomics. We actually sponsored 2 of our undergraduate students to participate in the meeting for the American Society for Human Genetics this year.
If we are, as a human race, to understand the human genome properly, we have to get data related to all various of different geographies and different ethnicities. And Qatar is filling this important gap on behalf of the Middle East.